Hello guys! Today, I'm going to share an important topic with you, which is how to connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center. Maybe you already know that Shopify partnered with Google in April 2020. So a store owner gets some extra facilities and Google SERP results now. Amazing, right? Also, Shopify store owners now can show their products all around the world through the Google Merchant Center. This is one of the best news for online retailers. I know a question arises in your mind. What is Google Merchant Center? Isn't that right? According to Google, a Merchant Center lets you manage how your store and online product inventory appears in Google. Each day, Merchant Solutions help you reach hundreds of millions of people looking to buy products like that you are selling. This product feed contains a specific name, image, unique ID, description, and attributes of the Shopify products. The attributes are arranged in a format that is easily readable by Google. Now, the question is, how will you add a Shopify store into Google Merchant account? Well, this is very easy and you can do it with these few steps. First, you need to create your merchant account. Log into your Merchant Center's homepage and sign in using your Gmail account that is connected with your Google Ads account. Now fill up this below information. Number 1. Add your business information. Number 2. Agree to the terms of service. Number 3. Website verification. That's it. Shopify's apps automatically sync your products and other relevant information of your store with the Google Merchant Center. To sync your Shopify product feed with Google Merchant Center, you need to follow these steps. From your Shopify admin, go to Apps. Visit the Shopify App Store. Get an app named Feed for Google Shopping. Log into your Merchant Center. On the App Overview page, go through step by step to set up an account. Confirm integration with Google Merchant Center. Submit a feed. Great! You made it! Enjoy your Shopify journey!